Polygamy is illegal? Hello, welcome back to my channel. After a lot of tears and frustration, Kimberly Menzies and Usman Umar received his mom's approval on 90-day, Fiance, happily, ever after. So they're engaged and have his mother's permission to marry. Well, with a few conditions. Unfortunately, as many fans have been pointing out online all season, one of those caveats could be a major problem. You know all of that fuss about Usman's second wife. It could be moot. In the Sunday, November 21st episode of 90-Day, Fiance, Happily, Ever After, Kimberly Menzies and Usman Umar are in a good mood. They have a video chat with an immigration attorney. The plan, of course, is to bring Usman to the United States on a K-1 visa as Kimberly's fiancé. And entertained and very happy Kimberly then reads out the agreement document that Usman's mother and brother gave them. It's like a very goofy prenup, but it's on one page and in size 14 font, outlining their expectations. But when Kimberly reads these out to the immigration attorney, they find that they have hit a snag. Actually, multiple ones. Unfortunately, polygamy is not legal in the United States. It is expressly outlawed. For many in plural relationships, that is an inconvenience. Many in polyamorous relationships do not seek marriage. Or at least, not legally recognized ones. But when it comes to immigration, this is a serious obstacle. One of the questions that officials will ask Usman is whether he is planning to practice polygamy. His choice will either be to answer honestly or to lie. Click on the bell icon to stay up to date on my new videos. A yes on polygamy could wear down his chances of a visa. And lying is a huge no-no. Kimberly had been under the impression that Usman could have a marriage in Nigeria that the US does not recognize. There's no global marriage registry. You have to send in the documentation to prove your marriage is between countries, but obviously, the numerous interviews will ask about this. Whether Usman is currently married. And whether he plans to have other wives. Another issue, however, is the promise that Usman's mother extracted regarding visitation. She wants him home quarterly 4 times a year. But Usman could be looking at spending years before he is able to do that. That's not going to be possible because what's going to happen is, you guys have to get married within 90 days, the attorney warned. And then, after the 90 days, you would file the application for your green card, she explained. The attorney detailed you're not gonna be able to travel unless you get permission to travel. It is sort of strange to think that neither Kimberly nor Usman knew this already. Perhaps they did, and are just highlighting it on camera. Or maybe they really didn't look it up. From here, Kimberly and Usman can either amend the agreement, ignore his family, or break up.